The days are starting to get longer and warmer. By the end of this week, it'll be June already. And I've noticed that traffic on my Mobile Home Gourmet cooking channel is declining, which it does during this time of the year. It reaches a low point during the summer, but traffic to this smoothie tube channel is starting to increase. So I'm thinking, okay, people, as the days get warmer, they don't want to cook as much, but maybe they're looking for cool, refreshing smoothies that they can enjoy on a warm summer day. So I'm going to start making more smoothies. And today I'm going to make a raspberry avocado chocolate smoothie. I'm trying to say that without laughing because I can't imagine. Raspberries and chocolate, perfect together, I think. Avocado in there, I'm thinking maybe the avocado, which has a very mild flavor anyways, maybe it's in there just to give the smoothie some texture and to make it kind of thicker. I'm going to try this. And with the way strawberries and chocolate go well together, I might make this again in the future with strawberries rather than raspberries. But today, let's make raspberry avocado chocolate smoothie. First thing I need to do is open an avocado. I have a ripe avocado here. And I'm going to use half of this avocado. The other half I'll eat later with some salt and some lemon. There's my avocado in there. I love avocados. Even though they're a little expensive, I buy them because they're delicious and they're keto friendly. And by the way, this is a keto friendly smoothie. Okay, so that's 1/2 of an avocado. And then 3/4 of a cup, this weighed in at about 70 grams of frozen raspberries. Then I have 1.5 cups, which is 350 milliliters of cashew milk. Okay. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. And then 2 packets of stevia, because I know this is going to need sweetener. So 2 packets of stevia. And then finally 1/2 of a teaspoon of raspberry extract. Not always easy to find, but I don't know, they do have it on Amazon. 1/2 a teaspoon. And I suppose with this you could also use strawberry extract or even vanilla extract. I don't know that it matters all that much. All right, put my lid on there, and now this is ready to go on my blender. I'm going to turn my blender on, set it at number 1. I'm going to start it, and then I'll slowly turn it up to full speed, blend it for maybe 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, and as I was doing this, I thought strawberry, chocolate, and banana would go well together. I'm going to do that in the future. Okay, there's my smoothie. Looks good, frothy, a little bit thick. I think that'll be quite delicious. Let's pour that into a glass and see what it tastes like. I like the looks of this. And this, by the way, serves 2. So I have enough there for another serving, which I'll put in a jar, put a lid on it, and save it for later. All right, let's taste this. All right, I like the looks of it. It's a very chocolatey color. Let's see what it tastes like. That's nice. That's really nice. I can taste the chocolate comes to the front more, but I can taste the raspberry. I'm reminded of those, like, you get the box chocolates for like Valentine's Day, And some of them have like a raspberry jelly inside. That's what this reminds me of. That's good. And the avocado, I don't taste avocado, but it obviously gives it some thickness, some texture. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my raspberry avocado chocolate smoothie.